Okay, and again, welcome to ICP. Today is Friday the 2nd. Today we're going to be continuing with our acceleration, and today you're going to be doing a hands-on lab. All the materials you will need are up front. You are going to need 2 meter sticks actually per group. You can get by with 1, but 2 will make it easier. You're going to need 2 stopwatches, and you're going to need 4 pieces of tape. Now, I have shown you previously what to do in this situation and how to set up your tape. Your first 2 pieces of tape will be half a meter apart, and then you're going to measure from the first piece 2 meters, and from the third piece to the fourth piece will be 2 meters. Okay, you will need to make sure that you get through all 12 cars. Again, you will pull your car back from the second to the first, and then you're going to let it go, and then you're going to measure the time it takes to get to the third piece of tape and the fourth piece of tape. Then you'll be entering this data, be calculating some speeds and figuring out some accelerations. Okay. Once you have completed all of that, you will need to submit that, so don't forget to do that. You will need to get finished today in class. Each of the cars is numbered, so make sure that you put them in the appropriate place on the data table. Again, follow all the instructions from Mr. Holzer. Again, make sure that you follow all the classroom rules at all times. Okay, have a great day and weekend.